Dr. B right here. I want to do our medical word of the day, and today's a little bit different. It's sort of three words, but they're all related, and I want to explain the difference between them. And I call this the Emics, and that would be epidemic, pandemic, and endemic. And they each have their own place in the infectious disease vocabulary. Let's start with the epidemic. An epidemic is an increase in the rate of disease in a specific area higher than what would be expected. You see a lot of epidemics, especially the flu. So we may be stretching toward a flu epidemic right now. I'm seeing quite a few cases of flu A, but I really don't know the rate that it's supposed to be. Now, pandemic. Pandemic is like epidemic squared. It is spread over an entire multiple countries and greatly increased rate of disease over a wider area. Thus, the COVID pandemic is spread worldwide. You could look back at some famous pandemics, which would be the Black Death back in the 1300s, killed roughly 25 to 75 million people. The Spanish flu pandemic, millions and millions died. I think I saw a thing of around 50 million died. That was back around 1918. There's been several pandemics. The last one I want to talk about is endemic. And what endemic means is a disease that is normally seen in a particular area. You have malaria being endemic to the tropical regions of the country. You have Ebola, endemic in some areas of Africa. So there you have the Emics: epidemic, pandemic, and endemic. Just a brief description so you know what the difference between them are when you hear it talked about on the news. I hope this helps you learn something today. Thanks.